Hello guys, this is Nihar Asre. Today we are going to create a chatbot that is an intelligent customer help desk with smart document understanding. This opportunity was given to me by Smart Interns. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, here is a workspace. In this workspace, we have been provided with various resources to learn and execute this whole project. So without wasting any time, let's get started. We will be creating this on an IBM services. Once you log into your IBM Cloud account, you will be redirected to the dashboard. For our project, we will be requiring 4 services: the Watson Assistant, Watson Discovery, Node-RED app, and the Cloud Function. You may find all the 4 services in the catalog section here, but I have already created all the 4 services, so I will be accessing them using the dashboard. Here in the services, first we will be going through Watson Assistant. Here we go. We will launch our Watson Assistant. In Watson Assistant, we can use the existing assistant or we can create our own assistant. So I have created a customer care assistant here. Also, I have created a customer care sample skill for the assistant. Here are intents, entities, dialogues, and many more options. Basically, intents are user examples that we use to train our system. These are the entities. This is a dialogue. The dialogue section uses intents that are identified in the user input plus context from application to interact with the user and provide ultimate output. We can try it here. As I said hi to my assistant, it responded me, "Hello, good afternoon." So further we will be going through Watson Discovery now. We will launch our Watson Discovery. Basically, in Discovery we can manage our data by uploading it. In my case, I have used a Fitbit manual. You can see this, I have named it as user manual. We'll click on that. We will go in configure data. Here in identify fields, we can manage our fields, like we can make it a answer field, author field, footer. Likewise, here you can see the green one is a footer field, and so on. In manage fields, there are options. We can keep them on and off based on our choice, and we can apply changes to the collection. Later here we can run a query. So we will be typing here, how do I turn on Fitbit, and we will run it. So this is the response. Now we will integrate our Watson Discovery, Watson Assistant with the help of Cloud Function. We will file all these parameters on the Watson Discovery. We will enable the webhook option, and we will use this URL to link Watson Assistant to Watson Discovery. Now we will access our Node-RED. I have already made my Node-RED application, so I will access it using the resource list. Once you are done with your Node-RED application setup, we will be visiting our app URL. And we will go to our Node-RED flow editor. This will be the flow of our Node-RED. We'll give input here and we'll get output, and we may find all these necessary nodes in the filter node section. This will be the final output UI of a customer care help bot. I have entered hi here, so it responded me. So let's ask another question to the chatbot. And submit it. As you can see, the chatbot answered to my question and it's working properly. So we successfully created our chatbot using IBM services, and thank you so much for watching, guys.